I hope you're doing well today. I want to talk about digestion, and I want to talk about one simple change that you can make in the way that you eat your meals. It's a spice that's abundantly available all around the world. You see, the problem is indigestion. Indigestion seems to be a very small problem today. We pop antacids for acidity, we take digenes and gellucils to kind of, when we overeat and we've eaten too fast, we have late night meals, we eat at the wrong time. But we don't understand. Once in a way, all of this is fine. The problem is when we constantly have indigestion, we constantly have acidity, we constantly have bloating, constipation, loose motions. Your gut's trying to tell you that something's wrong. Your gut regulates everything from your immune system to inflammation to your hormones to the neurotransmitters, your skin, your hair, your energy levels, and including your cognitive brain function. Today, I want to talk to you about ginger. There's a lot to be said about ginger. Today, medical science is showing us the use of raw ginger, cooked ginger, dry ginger powder in cases of cancer, anti-inflammatory diseases, and everything else. But we're talking about one simple thing. How can you add ginger to your meals? How can you add a little bit of fresh ginger with your salads or chew a small piece before you start your meal? You see, ginger is healthy, but if we can have it before our meals, it actually stimulates digestive enzymes. It helps us to improve blood circulation in the stomach. Nothing can work without blood circulation. You see, the more blood circulation we have for our muscles, the better our performance. The more blood circulation we have to our brain, the better our cognitive brain function, clarity, memory, everything. The more blood flow you have to your kidney, to your liver, to your heart, you have better health. The more blood flow that reaches trillions of cells in the human body, blood carries oxygen, nutrients from the food that you eat. The more energetic you are, the stronger and smarter is your immune system. It's the same thing with blood circulation going towards our digestive system. If we can create the right amount of blood circulation to our digestive system, that's our stomach, we have more efficient digestion. Now, let's say we have a sedentary lifestyle, we're sitting all day, then we sit for our meal, then we sit for our next meal. A sedentary lifestyle reduces the amount of blood circulation. And that's why, in most cases, digestion gets compromised. You're at a party or at a social event, you're sitting all the time and you're eating, and then you serve yourself food, you sit again and you eat. By adding a little bit of ginger, now you can do fresh ginger. In fact, in the wisdom of Indian culture, we have a lot of pickles that have ginger in. That ginger is literally fermented, and that's a great prebiotic, great probiotic for you. But the simple thing, even the Japanese have it in their culture. Whenever you go to a restaurant, you order sushi, you get those little pink slivers of ginger. That is eaten before you have your meal to stimulate digestive enzymes and improve blood circulation so that you can more efficiently break down and digest your food. It is not about what you eat. It is about how your body breaks down and absorbs what you eat. A lot of people think they're eating healthy food, and they are, but they don't have the right amount of stomach acid or digestive enzymes to break down that healthy food they're eating and absorb it. So today in urban India and countries around the world, metropolitan cities where people have access to the best foods, organic foods, superfoods, and everything else, but yet malnutrition, malnourishment, malabsorption is at its highest because of poor lifestyle, insufficient stomach acid, eating under stress, overeating, eating at the wrong time, eating late night meals, pairing the wrong foods together. So by adding a little bit of ginger, okay, you can add it to your salads. You can grate a little bit of ginger. If you don't like it raw, you can mix it with your lentils, you can mix it with your fish, you can mix it with your chicken, or you can do something that we've been saying for the longest time. Before every meal, maybe 30 minutes before meal, take 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar with the mother culture, put it into a glass of water, 200 to 250 ml. You can add fresh ginger, but I prefer to add dry ginger powder because it's easier. You can get organic dry ginger powder and put a pinch of ginger powder in that apple cider vinegar, and you can have that concoction before meals. But now we got to be practical. You're on a flight, you're traveling, you're at office, you can't have that concoction. But it's important to understand the more ginger that we add to our food. Now, everyone's different, everyone's unique. For some people, ginger can be extremely cooling. For some people, ginger can create heat in the body. So make an informed decision. You will only know. You don't have to be scared of ginger. You will only know when you try it. So if ginger creates too much of heat for you, then maybe it's not the best thing for you to add to your diet. But if it doesn't, it's fantastic. Ginger is also one of the most anti-inflammatory spices. That's why it plays such a critical role in patients going through diseases, chemotherapy, radiations, cancers, Alzheimer's, because of its ability to lower inflammation. Morning sickness, nausea, simply cutting a piece of fresh ginger and smelling it can give you some amount of relief. Or making a simple ginger tea where you take a little bit of fresh ginger, you grate it, and you boil it in water. You can boil green tea leaves with it. You can boil black tea leaves with it. You can add lemon. You can build out of the base of using ginger. But coming to my point of eating food, if you can add a little bit of dry ginger or fresh ginger in your salads before your meal, or if you don't like to do that, you add it with your meal. Adding ginger will help you improve your digestive capability. And a lot of people today do not have efficient digestive fire because of all the poor lifestyle, the kind of quality of food that we eat, snacking consistently, never giving our stomachs, our digestive system a break to replenish its enzymes, to rebalance its acid. And another big issue, which I'm going to cover over my next couple of videos, is the whole alkaline myth. Today, people are too alkaline. Everyone thinks they're too acidic, but they're actually too alkaline. One of the biggest problems with acidity in our country, reflux, GERD, is actually low stomach acid. People think they have excessive acid, but it's triggered off by low stomach acid. And then you keep on popping antacids, which further reduces the amount of acid that you have. And because you have low stomach acid, you have all of the symptoms that you're suffering from where you actually think that you have high stomach acid. Very, very few people have excessive acid. Most people have low stomach acid. So over the next couple of videos, we're going to talk strongly about this whole alkaline myth. You do not have to make your body alkaline. In fact, making your body too alkaline is actually destroying your health. Having all these alkaline waters, setting pHs at 8, 8.59 is actually ruining your health. We've forgotten that it's all marketing. You've also forgotten that your body has an internal pH meter, which is more intelligent than anyone outside of our body. Your skin has to be acidic. Your stomach has to be acidic. Your urine can be alkaline or acidic, but we're trying to make ourselves overall alkaline, and that's why so many people suffer from digestive issues. So over the next couple of videos, we're going to look into that, but in the meantime, ginger, just a small, simple thing. You don't like apple cider vinegar, have a cup of ginger tea. 30 minutes before your meals. You don't like caffeine, just boil ginger in water, add some lemon, add a little bit of cinnamon powder for taste, and you have an herbal tea without caffeine. But the power of ginger for your digestive system, priceless. Try it. If it suits you, great. If it doesn't suit you, just don't do it. Have a great day, everyone. Until next time, eat smart, move more, sleep right, breathe deep, and remember, you care. It's all about you.